Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Runway and Pika AI, two of the most talked about AI video generators in 2025. These tools are changing how creators, marketers, and filmmakers bring ideas to life. So in this video, I'll cover everything you need to know: their main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally a balanced conclusion on which one is best in 2025. Let's get started. Runway has been around for a few years and now has consistently positioned itself as a professional-grade creative tool. The AI video engine known as Gen 3 Alpha is a major leap forward in the world of generative video, and unlike earlier models that sometimes felt choppy or unrealistic, Gen 3 Alpha was trained with a focus on both image and video data, which helps it produce smoother movements, more consistent character design, and more realistic camera behavior. One of Runway's biggest appeals is that it doesn't just spit out a video clip. It gives you the power to direct your scene almost like a filmmaker would, and you can control motion, camera angles, and even use prompts to steer the first and last frame of a clip so you have continuity. This is really important for anyone who wants to string together multiple clips into a longer sequence without everything looking disjointed. Now let's talk about Pika AI. It is sometimes called Pika Labs. Pika came into the scene with a slightly different vision. While Pika Runway focuses on giving professional creators advanced controls, Pika is all about speed and accessibility. Its core strength lies in being extremely easy to use, because you just type in a prompt, upload an image, or add a quick idea and you get a video in seconds. And you can even use templates to make it easier. That makes it very appealing to social media creators, marketers, and people who just want to experiment without climbing a steep learning curve. One thing that really stands out about Pika is its creative flair. For example, they've rolled out fun, viral-ready features like generating a selfie with your younger self. And these tools aren't just about technical fidelity, but about capturing imagination and emotional impact. Pika also has features to help maintain some character consistency across clips, which is especially useful for storytelling, even though it's not yet as advanced as Runway's director-level controls. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. For Runway, the Gen 3 Alpha model gives you high-fidelity, realistic video generation. Multiple input options. You can use text to video, image to video, and video to video transformations. Director's tools. There's motion brush, camera control, and the ability to guide how a scene begins and how it ends. The integrated editor is also there so you can fine-tune clips without needing third-party software. There's professional standards, which are built-in moderation, licensing options, and provenance support to help track the origin of generated content. And here's what Pika offers. Quick generation. You can just type in text or upload an image and get a short video fast. There's scene ingredients. There's ability to add and animate your own images inside generated videos. There's character consistency tools to keep characters looking similar across clips. There's fun, social-first features like stylized effects and viral tools designed for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. And it has a beginner-friendly design. You just need very little technical setup so you can focus on being creative instead of learning complex controls. Now, what is the pricing of both platforms like? Runway 2 video generation is credit-based, meaning the more credits you buy, then the more you can make videos. Pika's pricing has a free basic plan, which gives you access to a few things. Then there's the monthly plan at $8 per month. That's a standard plan. There's a pro plan, which is monthly plan as well, $28 per month. And there's a fancy plan at $76 per month. Now you can choose to pay an annual payment, and this gives you 20% off when you pay annually. What are the pros and cons of using both platforms? We start with the pros. For Runway, cinematic quality is what is produced with Gen 3 Alpha. There's precise director controls for camera and motion, and there's a professional editing environment included. For Pika AI, it's very easy to use. There's quick generation for fast results. And it's fun, creative, and social media friendly. How about the cons? For Runway, there's higher cost if you need lots of credits. And there's a learning curve if you're new to editing or filmmaking. And the cons of Pika AI is less precise control compared to Runway. and the output can feel more playful than professional depending on your use case. So which one is the best choice in 2025? Well, it depends entirely on who you are and what you're creating. Some creators use both Runway and Pika actually, starting quick concepts in Pika, then moving to Runway for a polished, professional final version. But if you're a professional filmmaker, production studio, or a serious content creator, then Runway is the stronger option. If you're a social media creator, a marketer, or someone experimenting with AI video for fun, then Pika is going to feel a lot more approachable. And that's it on the comparison between Runway and Pika AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Luma Labs, Kling AI, and Veo. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.